everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. In my channel, I love to do DIY, decor, home, recipes, so everything in a budget. And if you love such kind of contents, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. You can also subscribe to the channel by hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video and the bell. Well, today's video I'm going to share a DIY and I'm going to share the cake that is still in the oven. Today I'm participating in a challenge that is being hosted by Maria from Artsy Cupcake, and her co-host for this month is Heidi. Maria asked us to create something like a cupcake or a cake, a real one, or a fake one, or a DIY, or a decor, something to do with the cupcakes or cakes for this winter, this holidays, this Christmas. We got our microwave in the beginning of our marriage and I'm in love with it because it does a quick cooking and it retains the nutrition. And I have been baking cakes at my home ever since I remember, ever since I learned making cakes. And I love making microwave cakes because they are cooked very quick, very quick. I remember when my kids were really teeny tiny and used to take tiffins to school in a quick moment's time. Within 5 minutes the tiffin was ready with cakes inside them. I used to make a variety of cakes with lots of fruits, vegetables, just to make it more nutritious, more healthy. And even now when somebody just calls from the neighborhood, I'm in the neighborhood, just coming in 5 minutes, are you there at home? And I would say yes, drop in, because I know within 5 minutes a cake will be ready and I can serve my guest with something nice to have with tea or coffee. Well, therefore I always follow a very basic cake recipe and I just make variations to it by adding different flavors and adding different additions to it in form of different kinds of fruits, nuts, or whatever I add to it. So I follow a basic recipe and make variation by changing the color, the flavor and the additions. So today I'm not going to show how I'm baking a cake. I'm not going to show how I'm beating the eggs or adding the butter or sifting the flour or anything like that. I'll put a card link, I'll put the video where I have made a cupcake and I'm following the basic recipe again, and you can see this video. I'll put the link above as well as in the description box how I make this microwave cakes. It's very simple, very easy, 5 minutes preparation and 5 minutes baking time, a little waiting time and you're done. So you can check that video after this video. My cake is still baking in the oven. As I said, I'll bring it in towards the end of the video. But what in between? Today I have got a DIY for all of you. I'm going to make a beautiful sign which has this vintage and farmhouse and French kind of flair, like a patisserie or something like that. And you're going to love it because this kind of sign can be used for the holiday decor in a lot of places. You can put it in your kitchen, in your dessert serving area, in your dining area, breakfast nook, buffet table, anywhere you like it. It will just bring that Christmas vibe, the happy vibes in that area. So let's get started and see my today's DIY and how I present my today's DIY along with my cake. Thank you so much for visiting. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to read your comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content, please subscribe. And I'll see you soon again in my next video. For now, enjoy this video. And if you love to see how I bake my cake, I'll put the link in the description box as well, where you can watch how I make my microwave cakes. So enjoy the video. Take care.